So today we will study the phases of compiler. Phases of compiler. प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कंपाइलर की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, क्यों हमें कंपाइलर पढ़ना है, कंपाइलर है क्या. नाउ in this class we will study the phases of compiler. In previous class we have already told that the whole compilation process is done in a several steps or executed in a several different steps. So these all different steps are known as phases of compiler. These all different steps are known as phases of compiler. ठीक है. सो अगर हम बेसिकली बात करें फेजेज ऑफ कंपाइलर का, तो इसको बेसिकली हम लोग दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं. So the process of compilation is carried out in two parts. One is analysis phase and the another one is synthesis phase. जो analysis phase है, it consists of three different phases. One is lexical analysis, the other one is syntax analysis, and the third one is semantics analysis. Similarly, जो आपका synthesis phase है, it also consists of three different phases. One is intermediate code generation, then code optimization and code generation. So basically, if we talk about the number of stage, so basically in compiler design we have six different phases or six different steps. With the help of these steps we execute, we compile, we run our program. So with the help of pictorial representation we are going to understand the different phases of compiler. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये आपका फर्स्ट है लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस, सेकेंड वन इज सिंटेक्स एनालिसिस, थर्ड वन इज सिमेंटिक्स एनालिसिस, फोर्थ वन इज इंटरमीडिएट कोड जनरेशन, देन कोड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन एंड फाइनली कोड जनरेशन. जो लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस है, लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस को सोर्स प्रोग्राम इज प्रोवाइडेड एज ए इनपुट एंड जो आपका कोड जनरेशन है इट प्रोड्यूस टारगेट प्रोग्राम एज ए आउटपुट. ठीक है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, जो लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस है, द आउटपुट ऑफ लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस इज वर्क्स एज ए इनपुट for syntax analysis. In the same way, the output of syntax analysis is considered as the input for semantic analysis. Same way, the output of semantic analysis is considered as the input for the intermediate code generations and likewise. ठीक है. अब अगर हम बात करें इस एनालिसिस और सिंथेसिस फेज का, तो ये जो फर्स्ट थ्री फेज है दैट इज लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस, सिंटैक्स एनालिसिस एंड सिमेंटिक एनालिसिस. दिस ऑल थ्री steps or stages are known as analysis phase. Then the last three, that is intermediate code generation, code optimization and code generations, is known as synthesis phase. Then one classifications is also there. Basically lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis and intermediate code generations. These four steps are known as front end, and the last two steps, that is code optimization and code generations, are known as backend. ठीक है. Each and every stage are connected with the symbol table and error detections and handling mechanism. So if we take the example of syntax analysis, suppose the lexical analysis, the output of lexical analysis is input for the syntax analysis. The job of syntax analysis is to parse the given string. If it is valid, then it will generate the parse tree, otherwise it will generate the error. So this error detections and handling is a separate mechanism that are used with all the different phases of the compiler, that are used with all the different phases of the compiler. ठीक है, यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट समझने में? नहीं तो एक बार हम फिर से इसको रिवाइज कर देते हैं कि जो आपका कंपाइलर डिजाइन है वो एक्चुअली क्या है. कंपाइलर, इट इज अ ट्रांसलेटर that translate high level language to the low level language. This whole compilation process is done in a several steps, and these several steps are known as phases of compiler. Basically, the compiler has 6 different phases with the help of which it can execute our program, or it can convert our source program into a target program. So these steps are, these phases are lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimizations, and code generations. The first three is known as analysis phase. The last three is known as synthesis phase. Similarly, the first four, that means lexical to intermediate code generations, is known as front end, and the last two, that is code optimization and code generations, is known as back end. So this is all about the phases of compiler. We will in the next class we will study each and every phases in a separate manner, and there is a brief descriptions regarding these different phases of the compiler. And then in a next to next class we will start lexical analysis, and we will discuss in a detail. So thank you for today.